Hello, hello. I went to Dollar Tree yesterday and I got a small haul of toys. And let's see what I got. Okay, there's just a few things. I got 4 things. So I got this glitter putty, like silly putty. And it says Happy Easter on it, which I'm really excited about Easter coming. And I got this brand new, I'm so excited, Barbie Dreamtopia. And I got this, they just got it in, Barbie Dreamtopia, and it's got tall shoe boot looking things, and a magic wand, and some lavender high heels. And I'm excited about that one. And they got new headbands and necklaces in. This one has a mirror, a brush, 2 headbands, and a long necklace. They just got that one in. And also, for my Barbie house, I got a chalkboard that it looks like it opens up into an A shape, and I can write what she's doing each day or her recipes or whatever on it. So let's open everything up. So I'm going to start with the silly putty, and looks pretty easy to open. Oh, yeah, it's an egg, and it's clear with glitter on it, and it's got tape to hold it together, so I gotta get the scissors. So it's a glitter pink silly putty egg, and let's open this one up. Oh boy. Oh goodness gracious. Oh wow, it's clear on one side like a lavender clear, and it's pink on the other side. And it looks like it has, wow. So let's get it out. Here's the clear side. Ooh, it's kind of cold. It has some glitter in it for sure. Let's see what the other side does. So this is the pink side. It's got pink plastic on it to keep it from mixing with the other one, so that we can mix it ourselves. And there's the pink side, and it's got glitter. Uh-oh. It's kind of cold. I gotta warm it up so it don't tear. Silly putty is fun. So I got 2 different ones that I got to mix together. That's going to be a lot of fun. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open the Barbie Dreamtopia set. I'm really excited about this because I do have Barbie Dreamtopia. I have one of them. I have the diver Barbie. So it's got these, wow, they're really pretty. It's got these lavender boots. It's kind of a pinkish lavender. And it has a purple magic wand with a little holder so that Barbie can hold it. And it's got lavender high heels for Barbie. And I'm going to try those on in a second. So next I'm going to open the easel with the chalkboard on it for Barbie's house. See if I can get it open. Uh-oh, that didn't work. It's really nice. It's got a chalkboard on both sides and a little string that holds it together, and it goes into an A-frame. So I don't have any chalk. I have to buy some chalk today, but I can put this in Barbie's house and she can draw on it. It's perfect size for her. So the last thing I have, the 4th thing, is this Barbie Accessory Set. So let's open this up. Okay, we have a purple long necklace. Uh-oh, hold on. So we have a purple long necklace with a heart on it and a bow. Whoops. And it just pops around her neck. And the next thing is a tiara, and it's pink. It's very pretty. I'm going to try everything on them. Here's a brush with a bow on the back. And here's a blue tiara. And also, there's a mirror. It's taped in there. I gotta get it out. Whoa. And a little mirror for Barbie. And it's got a handle so that she can hold it. So let's try everything on Barbie. And this is Barbie Dreamtopia. Hello everyone. And she's gonna try on a pink tiara. This is a pink Barbie tiara. Let's see. Looks very pretty. And let's try on the blue one. Yes, it's very nice. Matches your outfit. And the purple necklace just clips around her neck. It's for a fancy dress, so I'm definitely going to use this one. And this has a handle, but I don't know. Yes, Barbie can hold it. And the mirror has a handle. Yes, Barbie can hold that too. Now, for the shoes, this Dreamtopia Barbie has flat feet. So she is not going to be able to wear the shoes. But she can hold the magic wand. It clips on to her finger. Let's clip it on this side so I can see better. There's Barbie holding the magic wand. And I'm going to have to get another Barbie that doesn't have flat feet because my Dreamtopia does. Because she's a diver Dreamtopia. Now, I do have, I have Skipper. And she has high heel feet, just like a Barbie does. So we'll try those on her. I hope they get some flat shoes for the flat foot Dreamtopia Barbie. But they don't yet. Oh, wow. That is really pretty. I got really lucky going up there today. I didn't... Wow, look at that. Those are pretty. Those are really pretty. I'll turn on the light and see if you can see them better. Look at that. Wow, I like those. Oh, okay. Let's try on the high heels. They're pretty neat. Fit perfect, of course. And there's the high heels on her. They look fantastic. I'm really happy with all the stuff I got today. Let me gather it up and show you. So this is my Barbie haul. And I have the chalkboard easel, the 2 different colored silly putty that I'm going to put together on a different video, and the Barbie tall boot shoes, the mirror and the brush, the lavender high heels, the 2 tiaras, the magic wand, and the heart bow necklace. And I got all those at Dollar Tree, and each package, I bought 4 packages, and it was $1.25 for each package. So It was $5 and some change. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.